Welcome back, friends, to Surviving the Daily. I hope everyone is surviving well. So we have a new Hoojimajig that was sent into the channel for us to take a look at. This is going to be the Neo Firefly K1. If you're asking yourself, what the hell is a Hoojimajig? Well, this one in particular is a key organizer, and they sent this into the channel for us to take a look at. And this is just in advance of their Kickstarter launch, which is happening on March 11th, 2026. And I'm very excited for them, and I'm very excited to show this off to you folks. I have very much limited my exposure to this because I wanted to put it together with you. How sweet is that? Anyways, I did open it up and read the directions. Yes, I actually read the directions for once, and they are a very limited set of instructions, but they are complete enough and easy enough. It does come with a USB type A to a magnetic charging cable port, and it is very much like the type you'd find on an inexpensive watch. So I've yet to charge this baby up, but hopefully it has a decent enough charge for us to try it out. And that is the Neo Firefly key organizer right there. And from what I read, it does have a flashlight. There we go. Oh, look at that. It does make a little bit of noise when you turn it on. Let's see how bright that flashlight is. Now, it is made out of aerospace-grade aluminum, plus it has a FKM fluoroelastomer band, which it's got to be that thing right there. Let's turn the light back on, and you can take a look at that band. But the aerospace aluminum and the fluoroelastomer band gives it strength and resilience while making it nice and sleek. But I'm not quite sure exactly how bright that flashlight is. I couldn't find that. So it doesn't seem very bright. I would say maybe 30 lumens at most, but just enough for you to see the keyhole that you're putting the key in. It is compact and lightweight. It is 86.4 millimeters tall, 3.4 inches, 26 millimeters wide, or 1 inch, and 23 millimeters, or 0.9 inches deep or thick, and that's without the keys. It is weighing out at 60 grams, or 2.1 ounces. Look at that, I got through all those specifications without stuttering. It's pretty awesome. So it does have a snap flip action, which I imagine that's what this little snappy thing is for. Let's not waste a battery before we get this hooked up to. It does hook up to Apple Find My and Android Find Hub. We're gonna hook it up to, or try to hook it up to the Android Find Hub. See how easy and problem-free that is. So from what the directions say, it has a loud ring locator and the magnetic charging, which is right there. It will take a 2-hour charge to completely charge the 100 milliamp hour battery, and well, it's beeping at us again, and that full charge will last 6 months, and that's not including the flashlight usage. So that it is again beeping at us, so I'm thinking that it wants us to locate it with the phone. And look at that, immediately comes up. I didn't press anything, and we're going to connect. That was damn easy. Use responsibly. And there we go. And it is connected. And there's my location for all to see. So we're going to play a sound. Loud enough, and we do have that light. So I think that's pretty easy to find if you lose it in your car or in the couch. Stop playing that sound, and it says the battery's okay. So now that we have that connected, that's loaded up with some keys, and one thing I do like about this is you don't need a tool to add or subtract keys. It just has a little added finger wrench, or I'm not quite sure what you call that, but it has a little finger turny thingy. Pretty cool. So this is the part where I'm going to stop talking and add some music in the background. And you can speed this up and see how easy it is to add some keys. So I imagine I'm going to have to take my happy face off, and which is kind of sad because I like my happy face, but I imagine not everybody has a happy face, which is also extra sad that not everybody has a happy face. Everybody should have a happy face, but we're going to take that off just to make sure everything fits. And we're going to put these 4 keys on. Now, the directions say that you should put the black side facing your most used key. I'm going to put that there. Directions also say do not torque this down as hard as you can. You're going to give it make sure that it stays a little loose. And there we go. We have all the keys added. And we have the speed key right there. Look at that. That's pretty cool. So that is the Neo Firefly. Now, one thing I would like to see in the future is that this comes in different colors. I believe this is only the one color that you can get right now. Hopefully in the future we can get that choice and maybe a different color on the actual unit. But again, it is in Kickstarter and they can only do what they can do currently. But I'm pretty excited for them. This is a pretty cool concept. There are a lot of key organizers on the market, but one with an integrated flashlight and locator device, that's pretty cool. That's awesome. And the fact that you don't need a specialized tool to add or subtract keys. We also have that attachment point right there if you want to put a lanyard to this. So that is the Neo Firefly, launching on March 11th on Kickstarter 2026. We'll leave a link down in the description for you to check them out. And I wish them all the best. So I want to thank you for stopping in and checking out this video. I greatly appreciate it. If you want to help support this channel, the best thing you can do is hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and comment down below. Let me know down below if you carry a key organizer or are interested in carrying key organizers. Are your keys that disorganized where you need one? And as always, I hope you're having an amazing day. And I'll see you next time.